my channel. Today I'm so excited to be filming another fall inspired video for you guys, especially this one because I finally got my Fabfitffun box in the mail. I feel like I've been waiting for this forever. Every time I see that the Fabfitffun boxes ship out, I feel like I'm always like one of the last ones to get it, which or either that or I'm just really impatient. But anyways, I will link my code right here for you guys to get a discount on your Fabfitffun box. It is a $50 subscription box. You get it annually, which means you get it every single season, so 4 times a year, obviously. And instead of the box being $49.99, it'll be $39.99 if you use my code, which again, I will link down below and then have right here for you guys. It's such a good value. You get 9 to 10 full-size products, which is absolutely amazing. It can be anything from lifestyle, beauty, food sometimes, fitness, fashion, you name it. It's absolutely amazing. It's such a good deal. I've gotten multiple other subscription boxes before that I've actually ended up canceling, but this is by far my favorite subscription box. It's so worth the money. You get sometimes up to like $300 value in this box for $49.99, or if you use my code, again, like I said, $39.99 for your first box, which you really can't beat that. So anyways, I have opened my box. I just like peeked inside because I was completely impatient because I did get it last night and I wasn't able to film, and I really just wanted to see what was inside of it. I tried to kind of steer away from other YouTubers or like teasers and stuff when it comes to like seeing what's in the box and stuff if they get it before me, because I do like it to be a surprise, but I kind of just like peeked in it. I didn't open anything, I just peeked. But anyways, we're gonna open it. The box is super cute. It's all fall inspired. It's got leaves on it, like pumpkin spice lattes, some bags, like it's just really cute. The boxes are always super adorable. So when you open it up, it looks like this. For those of you who have not seen it already, it comes with this booklet, which they actually have changed. This used to be a newspaper, and I actually like this a lot better now. It's like a magazine. So this just tells you everything inside of like kind of what you're getting, how to use everything, like what it is, the value of everything. And for those of you who have never gotten Fabfitffun before, you do get to pick usually like 2 or 3 of the products. You get to pick like between 2 things to customize your box a little bit, or you can just have it completely at random. So when I go through this, I will tell you that I did like customize a few of the things just because I just like to have like things that I'm actually going to use, and then the rest I like it to be a surprise. But anyways, so opening it up, the first thing that I gravitate towards is this Simply Whimsical towel. So it's like a gray and white like geometrical towel, and then if we go in here, it tells you everything. So this is a tea towel. It says this set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. So this is worth $14.99. And what I really like about this little magazine is it also has like tips. So it says hang flat to dry or after use. Hang or lay flat to dry after use, it says. So that's really cute. It just tells you like little tips on how to use everything. So that's cute. It actually matches my kitchen perfectly because my kitchen's like gray, pink, and white. So I really like that. Super cute. Again, $14.99 for that towel, and there's a lot of things in here that are gonna be way over the $49.99 mark. Okay, so next I am seeing this Skin Aging Toxins Grow Alchemist by Botanical Beauty. So it looks like this is skincare. When you first sign up for the box, like I've said before, you do get to pretty much tell them like if you like skincare more or fitness, like you get to basically write your profile to what you like. And I did write that I love skincare, so I do get a lot of skincare in my things, at least I noticed. Okay, so for this is a $67 value, which is absolutely amazing. Right there, that's already more than the whole box itself. So right there, it's way worth it. So you can either get this Palacing Facial Exfoliant, a Hydro Repair Day Cream, or a Restore Cream Cleanser. So I obviously got the Polishing Facial Exfoliant in Pink Grapefruit. And it says gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant and moisturized complexion. It's formulated with glucosamine from konjac to absorb oils and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. So it says gently massage onto damp skin and rinse off with warm water. It's gentle enough for daily use. So if we open it up, I love skincare, you guys. Anything, especially this is for dry skin. So again, full-size product. That's absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. I love playing with new skincare. It's like my favorite thing ever. So whenever I see that there's skincare in here, I automatically get so excited. Alright, next I see this really beautiful umbrella. It's like a pinkish red, like magenta floral print. Now you could have gotten either this one or a black and white polka dot one, which I actually really like this one, so I'm glad that I got this. This is a $39.99 value, and then you could have chosen, if you did choose to customize your box, you could have either gotten this or a Bluetooth wireless earbuds. I didn't pick the earbuds because they're the ones that like go inside your ear, like the, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they go all the way inside your ear. Those actually don't even stay in my ear for some reason, so I chose the umbrella instead. So it says, this picture-perfect umbrella is compact enough to fit in a briefcase, purse, or laptop bag. It opens up at the push of a button so you'll never fumble with your umbrella again. Super cute. That's like so fall inspired. It's so fall inspired. I love that so much. By the way, you guys, my lip color is Calabasas by Jeffree Star, if you guys are wondering. I absolutely love this color. Okay, anyways. So next, we have this Crown for Pros by Pros, which I don't even remember what this is. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is the brush set that I also customized. You could have either gotten a Vince Camuto tote or the brush set. Now I have so many totes and bags and stuff, so to me, I can never have enough makeup brushes, so I chose this. By the way, if you did choose the Vince Camuto tote, that is a $128 tote. That's absolutely insane that you can get that in your Fabfitffun box when it's only $49.99. Absolutely insane. Like, mind blown. Anyways, the Crown brush set was $75. Again, amazing. So it says you could have either gotten this in black and rose gold or silver. So I don't know what color I got. Let's open it up and see. So it comes in this really cute little pouch. Oh, I got the rose gold. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so you would get like 2 face brushes and then 4 little eye brushes. So I just want to like feel one of them and see what they're like. They're really, really nice and soft. It's like matte, and then it says Crown on here and rose gold. So these are really, really nice. Feels really nice. I love this little compact, like on the go. You can throw this in your purse or whatever if you just need some makeup brushes on the go. So again, it says made of soft 100% synthetic bristles, the 6-piece brush set. That's like a tongue twister. Brush set has everything you need to any perfect look. Plus, it's packed in a handy travel case. It says tip. Mix 2 parts antibacterial dish soap and 1 part extra virgin olive oil for a DIY brush cleaner. Okay, so that's cute. That's good to know. So again, I chose this over the Vince Camuto tote. If you did get the tote, you could have got it in black or brown. But I just really needed some extra makeup brushes because you can never have enough of those. So I really, really liked that. Alright, next I'm seeing this Skin & Co. Roma Blue in Caprice Shower Gel. So let's read about this. This is a $22 value, it says. This multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and is deliciously scented with sage, lemon, and alpine rose. You can use this as a shower gel or to create a bubble bath. So let's smell it and open it up. So it has like a hint of lemon for sure, and it kind of smells like lemongrass, I would say. It smells really, really good though, and it's a really cute bottle. You can never have enough bubble bath or like shower gel, so that's really cute. I've never gotten like any like bath stuff in my Fabfitffun box before, so that's cute. Next, we have this. Okay, so this isn't actually like a product, but it's just sponsored. So you get a Luna bar. This is in the flavor caramel nut. So I'm actually gonna eat that like right now. I'm starving. Okay, I have like a chicken pot pie cooking in the oven though right now, and it smells so good. I'm so excited to eat that before work. But okay, anyways, getting off topic. So next I have this Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. Oh, I love skincare, and this eye cream, oh my gosh. Look at this bottle. It's like wooden on the top. This is such a nice bottle. So let's read about this. It says you could have either gotten this, liquid foil lipstick duo, or a detox bath. So I'm actually really glad I got the eye cream because I ran out of my eye cream. So this is a $38 value. It says fine lines and dark circles be gone. This moisturizing eye cream helps minimize visible signs of aging, stress, and fatigue while reducing the appearance of dark circles. Now it's so funny that I actually got this in this box because I was just at Sephora and I was searching for like anti-aging and anti-wrinkle creams, and I was looking for an anti-aging eye cream because, like I said, I did run out of mine. And this is perfect. I'm glad I actually didn't buy one because now I get to try this one out. So, next we have, I'm sure you guys have all heard of this, a beauty blender. It says it comes in multiple colors. I got the nude color, which, not the prettiest color, but is still a beauty blender, so that's awesome. It's a $20 value. Seamlessly blend cream, powder, and liquid formulas. Use the pointed end on the sides of your nose and under your eyes, and the rounded end to buff product into the rest of your face. Before using, wet the sponge with water and squeeze out excess liquid. So that's really cute, just like to have an extra beauty blender. I actually don't have a real beauty blender, so that comes in handy a lot for me. Alright, so we have two more things. Next is these Glam Glow. Okay, first of all, they're giving away Glam Glow masks. Like, that's amazing. I'm obsessed with Glam Glow products. So it says, watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. So these are $18. Place the mask onto damp skin and leave on for approximately 3 minutes. Once removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. So I've actually seen these masks before. They're like the crazy looking bubble ones that look like you're like a monster or something. But I'm really excited to try them again. So I got 3 skincare products in this box, and that's amazing. So lastly, this is another thing that you got to customize. You could either get a teapot or a French press coffee maker. I chose the French press coffee maker, which I'm super excited. This is a $22 value. It says, trendy LA coffee shop Alfred Coffee is making it so easy to brew the perfect cup of joe with this stainless steel coffee press. Use filtered water at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's open this up. I was really excited to try this out and just kind of like see how you use it because I actually have no idea, so I might have to read on it obviously, but it looks like this. It's just a little mini one, and I don't know, I've never used anything like this before, but I just thought it was so cute and like different, and I can't wait because I love like coffee products and stuff like that. So overall, I really think this was a really perfect fall box. Everything is like so perfect for fall and just like really goes with the theme. I'm also going to be doing something different with this season's Fabfitffun box. I'm going to be doing kind of like a recap on my blog as well as this video. So I'm going to be using all the products and kind of just testing them out and seeing how everything works, and I'm going to do like a review on my blog. So I will link, well actually my blog is linked down below already. It's SelahChristeen.com. Keep an eye out for that. I'll probably post it within like the next week or so because I do need time to like test all the products out and see how they work and stuff. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use my code to get money off your Fabfitffun box, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.